All right, let's solve for x here. Okay, so this time we have 7 to the power x squared equals to x. All right, so how do you solve for x? Now, to start with, let's bring this x squared down as we take log on both sides. So from here, I'll take natural log on both sides. So that will be ln of x. Okay, so this one is a power rule. That will be x squared ln of 7 equals to ln of x. Okay, now from here, I want this one to come here. So I'll divide both sides by x squared. So this one will cancel. So I have ln of 7 equals to ln of x on x squared. Now from here, okay, so I want to write this one in linear form. So what I will do is to make it ln of x times x to the power minus 2. X to the power minus 2. Okay, now let's apply Lambert W function here. So when we have t times e to the power t and we take W function, the answer is t. So we want to introduce e here. And also e raised to ln of t, the answer is t. Okay, so I'll write this one as ln of 7 equals to ln of x. So I want to introduce this one here. So times e raised to ln. So this one will come x to the power minus 2. Okay, x to the power minus 2. Now, this one can come here. So we have ln of 7 equals to ln of x times e. So this one minus 2 ln of x. All right. Now we have the e here. Okay. Now don't forget this, that we said t times t. Okay. T here, t there. When you take w function, the answer is t. So this is t. Look, minus 2 ln of x. And this one is ln of x. Something is missing. What is that? Minus 2. So this one must be equal to that. So what I will do here is to multiply both sides by negative 2. So we have minus 2 ln of 7 equals to minus 2 ln of x times c minus 2 ln of x. Okay, now from here I can say the target has been achieved because what is here is the same as what is there. So we have this, we have that. Okay, perfect. All right, so what we are going to do now is to take w function since our target is achieved now. So we have w function, this minus 2 ln of 7 equals to w function ln of x e ln of x. Okay, so from here the result for the right hand side will be minus 2 ln of x, because this and that one will be the answer. Okay, minus 2 ln of x, and this one remains the same, 7. Okay, now let's be very careful here. We are after x. Okay, so what I'll do here is to remove this minus. So I want to do manipulation here. So this one is the same as 2 times minus 1 ln of x, and this minus will come here. Okay, so that will be 2 ln of x to the power minus 1. So this one will be same as this. Okay, so pair this one. So minus 1 ln of x, so negative will come here. So I've left with these 2. So my next step will be 2 ln of x to the power minus 1. Okay, and this one too, we can manipulate that. So that will be w function 2 ln of 7 to the power minus 1. Okay. So I can say w function of 2 ln of, so this one is same as 1 over 7, and this one will be 2 1 over x, ln of 1 over x. Okay, now since we are after x, I can divide both sides by 2. So over 2 over 2, this one will cancel. Okay, and I believe it. So ln of 1 over x equals to w function 2 ln of 1 over 7 all over 2. Okay, so what I will do is to remove this ln. So I will raise both sides with e. So this one e to the power that and e to the power ln will cancel. So I will leave it 1 over x equals to e raised to w function of this 2 ln 1 over 7 on 2. Okay, so my x will be when I interchange this. So that will be so this one will go, this one will come. So my x, that's the final answer, equals to 1 on e raised to w function. We'll have 2 ln 1 over 7 on 2. On 2 as the answer. All right, so that's the answer. So 7 raised to x squared equals x. That's the answer. All right, thanks for watching.